This video should be used in combination with the installation instructions provided with your Hydroblock products. If you have any questions, contact your Hydroblock representative before you start installation. Visit us on the web at hydroblock.com for all the latest Hydroblock news and information.